Sorry, it was an accident.
Kill the cat!
What the fuck?
Who's listening to
What is
MCR?
happening?
Archie killed the cat.
Starting.
Archie killed the cat! Archie killed the cat!
Sorry.
Hi,
Archie
Sybil.
killed the cat! Yeah, wait, Mother, Archie killed the cat.
So
Archie killed the cat.
laggy.
Yeah,
Oh boy.
I know.
Zach,
I'm
protect
killing
me, Zach.
Go!
Alright.
There we go.
He killed the cat!
Okay, let's start. Okay, wait.
Dude, that's
World
embarrassing,
border
isn't it?
set.
500.
Chaos is embarrassing. You said you were gonna go under the tree.
Actually start the session.
I did not say this, but
Oh, wait,
Wait.
yeah.
okay.
Do slash live resettle.
Oh,
Time to do my intro.
reset all,
I gotta be with it.
session start.
It's so.
Alright, guys,
Right.
let's go.
Come on,
Sorry.
AD.
Hi, yeah.
Hello.
Oh yeah, AD, you're on the team.
Welcome to Blizzard
yeah.
Life.
Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, there's a
You be-
village. Oh,
Oh.
there's the hole. Oh.
Oh.
There was no point. Oh my god.
Turn on survival mode.
That one. Oh yeah.
I can't break anything. Thank you.
Ah, creeper.
Oh no, what's happened? Sorry.
Oh no, what happened? Hi, Bloodward.
Hi.
Help me.
What? Why is there a creeper? Oh my god.
Yeah, why is there a creeper? I'm on 2 frames per second.
Huh? What? That was so unfair. Alright, that was so unfair. I don't have a secret. No. At that time. It's the worst time ever. Okay, hi. Hi, Dragon.
Hello.
Nothing is going well for me.
That's fair.
I was lagging, and got blown up by a creeper, and I couldn't do anything about it.
Oh, that's rough.
And I got disconnected from the game, right when my
That's
secret
also rough.
got... I don't have a secret.
You're not having a good time, are you?
Yeah, I don't even have a
Ask
secret.
80.
I don't... Me a secret. I forgot I could just ask 80. That's... wow.
Alright, I need to get as much resources as possible.
I got one. That's acceptable.
Yeah?
Does anyone have food, by the way? I've got no food anywhere.
No.
What the fuck do you mean by a slave?
That's the thing with
Toby has food.
these
I
biomes. You'll never have food.
Bro, okay, I'm actually out of
Don't worry
food.
about the
What, do we
details.
lose food quicker? Like,
Just slay.
I'm on 5 hunger.
I'm gonna go
Steal
and
the belt.
This slay. I'll see you in a second, Sebo.
Wait, no, okay, fine. Leave me.
There's coal in this cave.
Alright.
When are Lucky Blocks?
Potatoes. I can like.
Oh, save the
Cook it.
potatoes.
Ugh.
Where are you?
What?
Cave!
Oh, there's lava.
Water too.
I need like.
Oh, there's a furnace.
What do
You
you?
guys want to make another portal?
I need like paraffin.
Why?
Oh my god.
Why do we have to go to...
Oh, Budwood. Uh-oh.
Bloodward.
Well, there might be food in
You're
the house.
gonna have to ask me now.
honestly, yeah. But no, we're gonna get food. It is saying the yes or no, get food. So far,
Oh, I
Three
forgot to
votes for
install
yes.
food, right?
If I
Ooh,
leave-
cool.
If I leave it a bit, I'm probably throwing up.
Are you okay?
No, I
Archie
feel
should
sick.
No.
rest.
That's not
No.
good.
you should probably leave the server.
No, I'm fine.
Oh yeah, thank you for the food. Otherwise we would literally just be go.
Alright. I really did not expect secret society.
Okay, finally. Bullet life is just secret life, but with Blizzard. Wow, it's snowy. I forever hate this game. I'm doing so terribly right now.
Wait, Dragon, I'm not.
I gotta lock in.
I'm not in secret society.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be first to die. Oh. I'm not gonna be here any longer. That was a great save by me. I don't even know what I did there, but it was great. I need a shield. But oh, I need iron, because yeah, I can't get diamond without iron. I forgot about that. Been a while since I played the early game of Minecraft. That's yeah. Shield. I need a shield. That's probably the most important thing you can make. The shield. Because you don't really need armor. All you need is the shield. For diamonds. You need gold. Golden apples. Golden carrots as well for food. If we even find carrots. Oh damn, I should have gotten the carrot. So stupid. I'm sure people will be nice enough to help me, right? Actually, really good day. Wow. Diamonds. Let's go. Favorite and naughty people. It's still not a copy of Secret of Nice Life. Ha. Ha. Alright. Let me start conflict this because I don't want the goofy ass. No. Thank you. Oh, the word border. You're actually so weird, word border. I hate you. Ah. I've already been here. Already been here. Okay. I think it's time to read my task. You have to be chosen to be a Grinch helper. Go to 2 red names and ask them who you should damage for them. There's no red names here. I'm just gonna ask a green name. That seems fair. Is it the misuse of dragons? Huh?
But have you already surgically harvested all the diamonds from that?
Yeah.
Oh.
There was only like 8 though.
Well, that's fun.
So I only have a chest plate. I should make iron armor though. Oh. Well, I'm gonna have to ask Toby then. Cause he's the closest. There's 2 red name. How do I just keep finding diamonds? How does she do it? I don't know. They have been chosen. So how do I know if I'm on the list or not? I had my shield open. Alright, goodbye. Bye. Oh yeah, I get it. No, I understand, I get it. You don't want me here. Should be a good diamond finding opportunity. With the risk of a warden, of course, but besides the point. So much diamonds. I need 11. I need 1 more. I lied, I'm not on 9 hearts, but someone's gonna fall for it, you know? And someone did fall for it. 2 people, actually. Whatever in here better be worth it. It wasn't. You fine? Where'd that come from? No. Try and get in here safely. 30 seconds, darkest posting off. Child protection 4. Okay, I don't need that at all. Huh? Skeletons are weird as hell. Nope. Yep. Give me the diamonds. Give me the diamonds. Give me the diamonds. Give me as much as possible so I don't have to go down here ever again. Holy. I lost like most of my health because of that. Get oh.
Naughtiness, I'm just gonna tell you
No,
that.
I'm not killing
Hi,
you.
Toby.
I just asked where the
Toby.
people are. I'm trying to get.
Oh, I don't know where they
Hello.
are. They just went somewhere.
You wanna meet me in secret?
Where they are. Who are they? Who are
Toby
the
and
naughty?
Toby with
Sure.
2 E's
Okay.
and RT.
Don't.
I saw them.
Okay. What's the worst that could happen?
Who should I damage? Who should I damage?
Damage?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
I wanna damage someone, you know? It's like for fun, you know.
Someone who still has like 4 hearts. Just go around asking or something.
Yeah, but like who? Who? Any specific player?
I don't know. Dragon probably still has 4 hearts. I think. I don't know.
Okay.
I believe.
That's great.
Oh,
That's great.
really
That's great.
consistency of me.
Go on your day now.
It's blue.
No,
Yep.
I
Good
don't
luck
have any
with
tasks.
whatever.
Let me do that.
Hello. Can
Hello.
anyone gift me a heart? I'm on like 6 hearts.
If you give us diamonds.
Okay.
I don't have any. Sorry, I already gave my one.
How much
Okay,
diamonds do you want?
I'm
One?
you, so you can give me.
But-
Give me 2.
Okay, that's all I have. But yeah.
Oh,
But Bird, you know,
Okay,
I
I'll
kind of
give you.
low key
Here you
miss
go.
Halloween. I feel like
Thank you.
Halloween went too
yay!
quickly,
Oh, I got my
guys.
task.
Yeah.
I was
Right.
about to read out my task.
Yeah, tell us the task quick.
Don't.
Before my internet rudely interrupted me. Oh. 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 Oh.
Got the pick.
Hello.
Oh, sorry, you scared me.
What the
So
hell?
sorry. Wait, how much damage did that do?
What, half a heart?
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Half a heart.
That's I'm really scared. I'm sorry.
Why did you? Ugh.
Sorry,
Hi,
bud.
Budward.
I'll give
Hi.
you my heart next session.
Okay.
I'm
I'm at like 5 hearts.
on 23.
You're on 5 hearts?
Yeah.
Does anyone have
Oh.
any sticks?
Uh,
I have a secret win card and I think I've just won.
Zach,
What do you
just
mean?
succeeded my task.
Civil, come over here. I need to give you some.
Budward, here's a snowball.
Civil, you can't
Yeah.
keep this. I just need to give it to you just for a second. Take this, just
Oh.
for a
Oh,
second.
sure. I'll give it back. I'll give it
Witness?
back.
Come
Yeah?
with me.
I
For
don't wanna
what?
wash the dishes.
Just come with me.
I don't want to wash the
I don't have any armor. I'm
Okay,
scared.
go.
Witness, come with me.
For what?
Just come with me. I have to tell you something.
I'll wash some.
Okay.
Over here. Over here.
Sure.
Attack.
Attack?
Yeah. Any one person. Who should I attack?
Not me.
No. I don't want to make any news.
Any one person. Who should I attack?
Archie.
Okay.
Not me, right?
I do that without even Witness telling me that. But yeah.
Yeah.
Not
Archie, 'cause
me,
he was
right,
mean to
Budward?
me
Nah.
before the session.
Unless someone
Okay.
tells me to. But like, I wouldn't do it regular.
I think I know your.
Oh, what's this place?
Blow up by a creeper like that Christmas special merch that's on discount right now.
Oh my god, this is great.
Hi, Budward.
Hello.
Have you heard that there's a Christmas special sale right now for Final Life merch?
There's a Christmas special sale for Final Life merch?
Yes, there is. It is available right now.
Whoa, is this an ad? Am I in an ad?
Yes.
Whoa.
And except you just won't get paid.
Oh. Aw.
No, it's okay. Look, because there's a Christmas special merch Final Life discount.
Mm-hmm.
So you're here and you can get the discount right now. So it's really
Ooh.
good still.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's merch about you. There's merch about you betraying Rags. It's really cool.
It wasn't really much of a trail, I just...
It's in the Christmas. I don't know what it was, but it's in the merch.
Is there number
and it's
4
for
merch for
sale.
me? 'Cause, you know,
Yes, there
fourth
is.
place all
There's
the time.
merch.
Yeah.
Yes, there is a number 4 Budward merch, and it is in also in a discount, with a special discount.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Okay. You're welcome. Bye now. Bye now. Before it's too late.
Bye. Oh, bye now. Okay. I get it. Can we sleep? No. Can't.
It's not even possible. I don't think. Oh wait. Hey, do you have an? I'm not sure if my task is possible. But
Where the hell's Archie been?
I thought mine-
Ground.
You know, my first, well, like, technically my second one was stalk Budford for 10 minutes, but then decides to disconnect. So I was like, oh, I'll just reroll for hard, and then it's stop a task, not stop someone from completing a task. So I had to basically just slime out AD to be able to pass.
Rags. Is there any way to get an apple on this server?
No. Actually, there might be, because there's oak trees. I'm
Oh
pretty
yeah,
sure.
oak trees. Hey, Dragon.
Do you guys have any word? Or sugar
No.
cane?
I do. I actually do have one.
Yo, what's up, Dragon?
Ow!
Why is
Sorry,
everyone
I'm so sorry. I didn't. Oh my god.
Oh, I shoot honest.
You just
Dragon, here,
you
have
just
some
caused me
wood,
to
have
lose
some
past the
wood.
heart.
Sorry.
14 logs. That's all I have right now.
Okay.
Oh, we're both in full diamond. That's...
So would you mind giving me your, diamond armor?
You're in
Why
full
is it-
diamond.
No, I just wanted to see if that was your
No,
task.
it's
There we go.
retextured armor. So yeah.
Sorry, Budward.
R.I.P. Dragons, half a heart.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so kind.
I
Full
forgot it
have
was
sugar
secret like
cane.
for a second.
I don't know.
Do you have
You
an
know, I
enchanter?
got from my. Oh wait, I have books. Yeah, I do actually.
I've got so many books.
Wait, how do you have so many books?
I done a hard task.
I did a hard task, but it only gave me 80. Are we?
Finally,
Right, AD, do you wanna go?
I
Do you wanna go
re-rolled,
back
got
to
a task
base?
I
Oh,
wanted to
Yo,
do.
what's up,
Right,
Archie?
right.
What's up, Archie?
I've actually, you've been very good this year, and I've got a present for you.
I'll succeed my task now.
I don't really like this present.
I wasn't really listening.
Oh, I hit
Archie,
you for my
want a high
task.
five?
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Hi, projects.
You want a high five?
Not really.
No.
Not.
No one wants the heart. High five, Arcturus.
Fine, I'm sorry, Bloodward. I just don't want to be on the naughty list.
I don't. How did the one even get on the naughty list?
You just randomly
I
get
don't know, I
picked.
just don't
I
wanna
was
be on the
just on the.
naughty
I was
list,
just.
How do you know you're on the naughty list?
Because you start glowing.
Oh,
I don't want to be naughty list. Please don't.
please,
No,
dude, I need
literally.
this.
I was completely fine. I just went on. I just sat underground. I was a-okay.
No, but I'm kind of naked. Oh, thanks. Wait, this
Hey,
is gonna be
Dragon,
poison.
can I use your enchanter
Ah!
next session?
I've just lost
Are they
10
the
hearts falling in a fucking hole.
Don't worry, don't worry. You can eat this. Eat this. Eat the spider rat.
No. Right, I need wood.
Wait, we can just get
I
wood
need
from
12
this.
diamonds to my name. Project, go progress in the game.
Yeah, getting wood.
It's a. Don't you think it's
You're
a bit
right,
late for that now?
yeah.
Getting wood?
No. I'm perfectly on time. You guys are just like really early.
Oh yeah, I get that. Yeah.
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 You gotta believe me. I'm perfectly on time.
Yeah, I believe you.
Oh wait, Project, I can give you an iron chestplate if you want it.
Ooh. I can give you this bamboo.
Yeah.
Wait, I can
I
gift
don't
you
want
projectile protection for
Is Archie
leggings.
still a naughty
Oh.
one, or is he
No.
no longer naughty?
I'm not naughty
Damn
anymore. You missed your
Archie.
chance.
Anyways, does anyone have any apples? Like a singular apple? Oh, they're coming on
No,
a
but-
camel! They're coming on the camel!
Collab merch, which is a
Camel.
Whoa.
Christmas discount.
Murder camel.
Final
Nice
life merch.
spend.
Final life
spend.
merch.
I know
Final
what
life
Sponge's-
merch.
Wait, I know what Sponge's task is then.
Well, you're not
What?
yellow. You can't really guess
Yeah,
it.
you can't guess.
I know.
Is this?
You have an apple?
You can it can be like the secret life merch that is currently in Christmas discount where you have to guess people's tasks.
Hey, do you have an apple? Does anyone have an apple?
Oh cool.
No.
Right, are we heading back?
What, you want to make
Yeah.
golden apples, huh?
I want to go to the Nether. Who's got flint?
Rags, are you crazy? Why are you going to the Nether?
I want to make
These
friends.
symbols do damage.
Who has
Make
flint?
artificial-
You were taking away the half heart in the
It was
Christmas
me taking away the
discount.
half heart.
Guys, look at my
Merch.
7 new friends.
Oh.
Oh my
Aww.
god,
They all look
Archie!
alike.
Archie's gone
They
crazy.
all look alike.
They
Wait.
look so fine.
I,
Archie,
fuck's
I'm gonna
sake,
turn-
AD man. These tasks are too easy.
Rags! Killed all of them!
You heartless
Well, at
person.
least we got.
Luckily,
this
I only needed them for a task, so
Wait, what does blue mean?
10 extra hearts. Thank you.
I mean,
No, favorite get lucky blocks.
Oh.
oh
They
Favorite
both
yes.
get-
I
grow, but you have to
Gamble,
find out which
gamble.
one's which.
Oh. Wait,
Huh?
They have
have
been
they not been
chosen.
chosen this whole time?
Oh,
Dragon the
Witness-
favor.
Is Witness naughty?
No.
Witness is favored.
What
Oh,
did you
guys.
get as a lucky
Favored,
block?
what was the
Witness?
favored about again?
They get
they just get lucky block.
It's kind of like the Final Life merch, but not really.
Oh.
But it does have a Christmas discount.
Can you
So-
shut up about Final Life match for 5 minutes?
Right, what's the?
But it has a Christmas discount.
I think I
Right,
know
yeah,
your
I'm gonna
task.
I'm gonna go make a jolly little Santa's clock tower. Bye.
Oh, cute.
What's with you and clocks?
I mean, he has a clock in his
Fuck
face,
you.
Archie, what's
You
with
He likes
ban
clock.
me?
Budwood, do you want to join me for
Yeah,
dinner?
yeah.
I
Can I have
can't hear
that? Can I have a
anything,
diamond though?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Witness, come join me for dinner quickly.
I'll join you
guys,
for
I
dinner
don't
if
think-
you give me a diamond.
I think we should stop reloading
I-
tasks so much.
We can have dinners.
See,
Okay, yeah.
Aid.
A feast.
Witness,
Thank you.
you thief.
Yeah?
winning
Give me
tasks?
back my diamond.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
give the diamond back.
I do not
Edward,
reward
I'm
that.
sorry.
Okay. And the food was delicious.
Raga.
Guys,
Food
does
was
anyone
delicious.
want to go to the
Thank you.
Nether?
What do you say, Art Dismal?
The food is delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zach,
Zach, come with me.
you gotta have
Okay.
never.
Zach, I
No,
think
we
you're
need
fine.
to
Come on,
finding
AD.
80.
Oh.
Edward, I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for?
Budwood,
Yeah. But you remember that thing I did?
Budwood, do you want to go to the Nether?
This seems like a trap.
No, I haven't even set up a portal yet, but
What thing did you do, Arcus? I don't remember.
But as your best friend, I think you shouldn't go to the Nether.
Project, do you want to go to the Nether in replacement?
No, I don't think I want to go to the Nether.
A good friend would do that to their other friend.
You naughty.
No, I don't think so, actually.
Budwood, do you think a good friend would go to the Nether?
Why would I?
Like in
Um,
replacement?
Bro, I'm not that.
I
good.
mean, depends,
No,
you know?
Edward, please. No.
Has anyone seen
I think-
Witness?
I don't
Archie,
even
do you want
have
to go to the
I don't even
Nether?
have a pickaxe.
Not really.
Oh, what's no one wants to go to the Nether?
I think this might be your task. So,
Take the
Yeah,
count.
I don't even have a task at the minute.
oh yeah, you failed all of them.
No, I succeeded both of them actually.
You didn't sock me for 10 minutes.
Well, no, I re-rolled it
Oh.
because I couldn't be bothered.
The Nether.
No. I
Budward,
think I'm gonna stay with Budwood.
Civil,
Here's a
go to
gift.
the Nether.
Oh, thank you.
Civil, do you want to go to the
I
Nether?
don't want to. I don't really want to go to the.
Why
Nether
did
first.
Civil just give me
Oh,
8 eggs?
I want to go to the Nether.
I don't know. Wait, what? What?
Look,
What?
Civil just gave me a bundle of 8 eggs.
What is the point of this? Is
Don't
this for
know.
gambling? Does this mean we gamble?
We should gamble, yeah.
Yeah, gambling.
We can't gamble. It's
Enable
not gift
gift life
life.
for real. Ambiance.
You're gonna gamble.
My
best friend
Your
Budward,
favorite,
Budward's
not
my
naughty.
best friend.
You're favored.
Whose
No, I'm
stuff
not.
is
Okay, I'm
this?
succeeding my
You're
task.
green.
You're green.
You're green. That means you're favored.
No, no,
My
no.
thing
Whose
says
diamonds
My
are
turn, my
these?
turn, my
My
turn, my
I
turn.
don't know.
one height.
80,
and
I've
don't
been
get
waiting
hurt.
My turn.
If you try to survive, you will be
Brad,
given a
let's go
present.
to another. Come
Yeah,
on.
eat
Right.
the
Both
spider
favored
eye.
and
Come on.
naughty people have been chosen. Go around
Oh my
and
god,
see
you've
who's
got end
chosen.
crystals, please, AD.
Oh.
I'll pay
I
anything
can't-
for
I
them.
can't wait.
Guys,
AD, I'll pay anything for those.
Don't throw my spell. We should get some
No, I'll
boots.
have
Dragon, are you
obsidian.
dragon? Are you
Let's go.
naughty or
I only
good?
have one. Though.
I'm nice.
Okay.
I'll give
I'm
you two.
naughty.
I
Four,
lost
one.
half a heart jumping
Alright.
down this
Oh
small
my god, I
little
got
cliff
crazy
here.
things.
You have heart. What?
Thank you.
Just falling. I just jumped off that.
Oh. I haven't been doing too great.
Oh, is
this
there a
session.
village? Pardon?
3-0 in this village.
Yeah.
What the
Oh,
hell?
I just lagged.
I just lagged.
Oh, server like peep. Oh,
Where is it? Where am I going?
I don't know.
We gotta go over here.
Okay. Ooh. Secret tunnel.
Come on, witness, get on. Guys, witness, get on. I'm naughty.
Is there anything we could steal in here?
Oh my god, they're shooting me.
Oh, I got a cast. Oh, yeah.
Who made a house down here?
I don't know. But the strip zone.
What? What? This is. What is this?
We need to go home.
My session pause. Why? What is happening right now? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Would you be fine with copper armor, or does it have to
Yeah,
be
I think
iron?
that should be fine. Well, there's iron down there. I can go get that iron.
Yeah. I can make you boots because I have 3 iron. I just got hit more.
Yeah, no, that wasn't fun. I've lost 2 hearts today, and I've been here for like 5 minutes.
I lost like half of my health today.
Oh damn.
I got it back because I did my task. But
That's good. Why do I have a spruce sapling?
25 hearts right now.
I have more hearts. Let's go.
Let's go.
Got 28. But I have nothing to my name. Is it worth it to go down the LC? Okay, it wasn't worth it.
Some books for
Yeah, for sharpness.
enchanting table. Yeah. I know Dragon has one, and I don't think he'll.
Can
give
we make
me.
our own enchanters?
Yeah.
But
Lag again?
oh, why? Oh, the game is frozen.
What the hell? I
Yo,
was right in the middle of melting stuff.
I want to break time.
Break
But I
time.
just got here. But I just got here.
Overeating?
Theo, my cat. Dude.
Yeah?
My cat.
Your cat?
He's.
What?
My cat's on
Oh.
my desk.
Oh, your cat's on your desk.
Yeah. I just picked them up and put them all. Oh, there we go. Crafting table. Wait, no, this is my crafting table. Okay.
Okay. Here you go. Marcus.
Boots.
Boots.
They'll stop calling me poor. Oh god.
Do
They'll
they
stop
all
calling
call
me
you poor?
Probably not.
Here's some materials. Just in case you need it. They're not good, but I don't know what you have.
I have a nearly broken stone pickaxe.
Is it just me, the server lagging?
Let me check. Oh. Hello.
It's better now. Hello.
Yep.
I already looted most of this cave earlier, so we're gonna have to go down.
Yeah, I kinda need, like... I need to, like, make... Oh, I don't have any coal. You know, it probably would have been smart to reward from completing your task.
I think so. Have you finished your task?
Because... No. Sorry, I haven't finished it.
Hi.
Budward. I got pants.
That's awesome. Diamond pants?
Yeah, I just found 7 diamonds. I mined like 10 blocks and I found 7 diamonds.
There's a zombie after me right now.
Yep. I can tell. Ooh.
Zombie spawning.
Yeah.
I have like no food.
I have 7 steak. I'm gonna start eating this rotten flesh.
Oh, you did that.
You ruined my home, no!
They have been chosen. Oh, yeah,
This is normally how I get rich.
I'm mine in this direction. Minus 59
Where are
though.
the diamonds? Huh?
This is
Ooh,
minus
coal.
59 though.
Yeah, minus 59 is the best.
Is it?
Yeah, minus 59 while doing this method is the best way for diamonds other than tunnel bores.
Well, we got a lot of diamonds, so that's good. Again, at a cost of only a couple hearts. So, we're doing better now. Come on, rabbit. Just 1 second. Rabbit, please. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. Yes, yes.
Good word.
Hi.
Music disc.
Yeah, I found it.
I got a camel.
That's awesome. Did you get any paper from completing your task?
No. I got a looting 3 book though.
I think we can get a grindstone and enchant the book.
But looting 3, it does seem pretty good.
Yeah, but we need books. That's more important. With all
Hey,
this
guys.
cobbled deep slate. Hello.
It's dying.
Hello.
Who's dying? Why are you?
Ben.
Guys.
Ben's dying.
I have decided for my New Year's resolution I will stop stealing people. So, wait, you're not.
What?
This is even your team. What the fuck am I
Stop
doing?
stealing people. What do you?
What?
What?
I keep stealing teammates in every server I'm in, so you know, I'm trying to
Yeah.
return him.
What? How does one know? What?
What?
Cause like I got in secret team, I stole rags from the cops, and now I'm accidentally stealing Toby from. Where's your team base?
Fucking no, dude.
There's.
Take your teammate back.
Do we get guys? Can we go to the end?
Yeah.
We're not going to the end.
Can we go to the
Why
end?
not?
I'm
In.
Why do you?
The end.
Well, I did it in Final Life secret,
The end.
and I only lost 1 life.
Is there even a
So-
stronghold?
Oh, is
well,
that
there's
it?
clearly a nether fortress.
Oh, I think it might be the.
Let's
snow
go.
Oh yeah, it is.
Hold on, I've
We're
got
just
to
going in the
take a
nether.
couple minutes.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Didn't you tell me not to, Arcturus?
Right.
Ooh, a house.
Yeah.
Oh.
We need to build our house.
What do you mean?
Like,
He folded under zero pressure, by the way. I'd watch out
Oh.
on that guy.
Oh,
Witness, are you not here?
I lost a heart.
Hi.
oh no.
Wait,
Project,
what?
do you have a team?
Are you good or
Projects?
bad?
Huh?
Ooh.
Yeah, I have
I got a
Bloodword.
lucky block and
I have no fucking friends.
Good for you. Now get out of here.
I got Murphy's Law.
Where's?
What?
I haven't seen Toby at all.
He just said you're cursed and cursed.
What did I do, Archie? Why am I getting a tier 4 curse?
Because fuck you.
What did I do?
You won final life, and that's not good enough.
Why do I get a tier 4 curse?
Because you won final life. That's simple.
So what's your point?
Yeah, what's your
winning
point?
final life means you get a tier 4 curse.
So what if I win hunt life?
I'm just gonna make your curse so much more annoying.
So I don't want to win hunt life then.
I'm joking. I made projects.
Man, I was gonna do you bet your
Murphy's
life, and I'm
Law.
probably gonna need those lives.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to be friends with me? I have this very nice clock.
No, not really. Goodbye.
Damn. All right.
I'm just gonna fucking kill myself at this point.
Oh god.
I see no
This is
reason to
zombie.
live.
Yeah.
I genuinely have.
Can I get the house? Can we have the house?
If you want to team with me, you can live in the shed.
Oh. Well, I thought you were gonna kill yourself. If so, can we have the house in your will?
Yeah.
If I don't get teammates by session 2, I'll give you my house.
I.
Do you want to hear the bell? Do you want to hear the bell? It's got a bell.
When we own it, sure.
Yeah.
Fuck you then.
Oh, let's live up there.
Up there, yeah, that seems great. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
it's a good
definitely won't
idea.
Fall. Yeah.
Cherry trees.
17 minutes.
Yep, we got this. We got this.
We got
Speed
this.
running. Speed running.
Yeah.
I'll make one here. Expensive house right here.
Expensive house. Wow.
Expensive house. Oh, I just took damage. Anyway, expensive house.
Expensive house. Oh,
This is using all of my wood.
I don't think I've ever had a base where I didn't hide it. This looks like the villager houses.
It's beautiful.
This is not beautiful. Oh. Now it's beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah. And then, yep. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Support beams. And now that I've cleared the inventory space, I can add cherry trapdoors.
It's actually a good addition, though.
Replant the trees.
They make the door even worse.
Door. Okay, I'm kind of too poor to make all of the trapdoors.
I can give you my cherry
Um,
logs.
Yes. And make the cherry trapdoors. Yeah. It's part of the aesthetic.
Yeah, having paths be awesome.
This is a color palette that definitely goes together and no one can say otherwise.
The best color palette I've ever seen.
I know, right? No one can do better than this.
Yeah.
This is better than Hermitcraft.
It
Yeah.
Do you have water?
No.
Yeah, I don't see any water there. Yeah.
Oh,
No,
it's
I don't see any
beautiful.
It's awesome.
It's beautiful. And then we got that triple crafting table. Okay.
Oh, triple crafting table, and it blocks the
Yeah.
thing.
Oh, my bad. One up there, one there. Good enough.
Get better
I
hiding
also
spot.
I have a netherite up. No, it's perfect. They'll never know.
They'll never know.
As long as we change this from dirt, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
I can make. We got the 3 doors.
3 doors. It's again one.
And then we got the not a trap.
That's probably just gonna get one of us.
Yeah.
You know what
Make
would
sure
be
to close
better if
all
we
the
put
doors.
ladders on our house.
Oh yeah, the ladders. Wait. I'm gonna texturing with some jungle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a beauty. Ladder parkour. Ladder parkour.
Yeah, you can ladder parkour in our house.
Yeah. Mountain.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, we need
And we have
Zach's
our
opinion on
great
this.
farm as well.
Ooh, yeah.
Anyone's gonna find us here.
They'll never know about the house on the mountain.
What does Archie have?
Yo, where did everyone go?
I
I like
we should
all
go
at that
steal
snow
from Archie.
castle. Oh, okay.
We should go
That
steal
was a
from Archie.
good point.
Right, okay.
It's gonna be our house soon, so I think
Run,
we
Butterhead,
deserve to
Butterhead,
steal.
Right, could you not?
Run. Oh, he caught us.
They'll never know.
You'll never know.
Oh god, okay, he's not chasing, okay. A failure.
Yeah, you're
Failure,
failure.
you suck.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Where's Nugget?
How are
No
you?
idea.
How?
Well, how are you doing that?
Yeah.
Doing what?
That.
That.
Doing what?
Yeah, I can also.
Sitting.
It looks awful.
What?
Arcturus, I think we should go.
Yeah, I don't like
What?
this way. They're mean.
Yeah, they're mean.
I'm following this. I want to
Wait,
see.
you
what
guys
the
should you guys should see the house on the mountain. It's beautiful.
What? Archie's plot.
There's a zombie horse. Oh man, they didn't follow. They need to see this.
I think we should go. I'm naughty. Go!
Not one thing.
Okay. Wait, when was that rolled?
I don't know. I just rode now.
Okay. They'll never outrun the camel.
Yeah, known as the fastest mob in the game.
Yup. Nothing faster.
Nothing faster than the camel.
Nothing. Nothing at all. I doubt Zach would want to take a 2v1 against us though.
Alright, we have to go away from them because they're gonna see us.
Yeah.
There's 2 minutes in the session left.
We can outrun them on a camel for 2 sessions. No, not 2 sessions, 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I probably need to go mining like first thing next session. Get the finish the full diamond. They're shooting.
What's
Go.
happening? What's wrong with
They're
you?
shooting.
They're shooting at us. Budward did nothing wrong.
All I did was
do?
Budward
rogue
did
naughty.
nothing wrong.
Why is your
We just
camel,
build a
like,
house.
Scooty on its butt.
Budward, is it sitting down for you because it's not sitting down
no,
for
it's
me?
standing for me.
Yeah, I like this bug. It's funny. They just like see it butt scooching around.
Yeah.
I thought that creeper was sugarcane. Oh man. Oh god, voices.
80 is going after me with witness.
Nah, we'd win that.
I don't have any food.
Oh. Oh, that's good, because I have 5 steak. It's okay, we won't lose hunger on the camel. The camel will protect us.
1 minute left.
We got this, we got this. We'll just go over here. Oh, is that sugarcane in the map?
No.
Nope. That border appeared very late. Maybe it was just an Alright, we'll never know.
We'll never know. Creeper!
I can't go in the trees, I'll suffocate in the trees. Oh, how is it damaging me?
Yes!
There we go. Woo! 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 Woo!
Woo!
Oh, he's kinda